Hey there, future business superstars. Welcome to a world where opportunities are endless and the potential for growth is beyond your wildest dreams. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of international trade? Imagine a place where innovation meets tradition and where every corner you turn, there's something new to discover. Buckle up because we're about to explore the Canton Fair, also known as the China Import and Export Fair, held twice a year in Guangzhou, China. This isn't just any trade fair. It's the largest of its kind, attracting businesses from all over the globe. This massive event is a dream come true for entrepreneurs like you. With over 60,000 booths and nearly 25,000 exhibitors, the Canton Fair is a bustling hub of activity and opportunity. Imagine a place bursting with products from every corner of the globe, all under one roof. From electronics to textiles, machinery to household items, the variety is staggering. It's a goldmine of opportunities. Here you can find the latest innovations, the best deals, and the most unique products that can set your business apart from the competition. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your business, the Canton Fair is your ticket to global success. It's a place where dreams are turned into reality and where the next big thing is just around the corner. Picture this, you walking among thousands of exhibitors, discovering unique products and negotiating deals directly with manufacturers. The energy is palpable and the possibilities are endless. This isn't a fantasy, it's the reality of the Canton Fair. It's a place where you can see, touch and experience the products firsthand, giving you the confidence to make informed decisions. Get ready to source high-quality products at competitive prices, cutting out those pesky middlemen and boosting your profit margins. It's a win-win situation for any savvy entrepreneur. But the Canton Fair is more than just buying and selling, it's about making connections. It's a melting pot of cultures, ideas and innovations. Imagine yourself networking with industry leaders, suppliers and potential partners from all over the world. These connections can open doors to new markets, collaborations and opportunities that you never thought possible. It's an incredible chance to learn about the latest trends, share ideas and build relationships that can take your business to the next level. The knowledge and insights you gain here are invaluable. So, are you excited to unlock the secrets of success at the Canton Fair? The journey you're about to embark on is filled with potential and promise. Let's dive in and explore everything you need to know to make the most of this incredible opportunity. From tips on navigating the fair to strategies for making the best deals, we've got you covered. Get ready to transform your business and take it to new heights. Okay, so you're ready to conquer the Canton Fair, but hold on. There are 3 phases, each focusing on different product categories. Choosing the right phase is essential for maximizing your time and finding the perfect products for your business. Think of it like a shopping mall with specialized sections. Phase 1 is all about electronics, building materials, and industrial machinery. If you're in the market for cutting-edge gadgets, construction supplies, or heavy-duty equipment, this is the phase for you. Phase 2 is where you'll find everything related to home decor, gifts, and consumer goods. Think stylish furniture, trendy accessories, and everyday essentials. This phase is perfect for retailers and e-commerce businesses looking to stock up on in-demand products. Finally, phase 3 is dedicated to textiles, clothing, and footwear. If you dream of launching your own fashion line, sourcing fabrics, or finding the latest shoe trends, this is your go-to phase. Remember, choosing the right phase is crucial. Carefully review the product categories for each phase and select the one that best aligns with your business goals. This will save you time and ensure you're meeting the right suppliers for your specific needs. Ready to find your perfect match? Let's move on to the next step, preparing for your Canton Fair adventure. Attending the Canton Fair is an investment, so let's make sure you're prepared to make the most of every opportunity. This isn't just any trade show, it's one of the largest and most comprehensive in the world. With thousands of exhibitors and attendees, the potential for networking and deal-making is immense. But to truly capitalize on this, you need to be well prepared and strategic in your approach. Preparation is key to navigating this massive event successfully and securing those lucrative deals. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. You need to pace yourself, plan your days meticulously, and ensure you have all the tools you need to make a lasting impression. First things first, registration. Head over to the official Canton Fair website and complete the online registration process. This step is crucial as it not only grants you access to the event, but also provides you with important information about the exhibitors, floor plans, and schedules. Make sure to double-check all your details to avoid any last-minute hiccups. It's quick and easy, and you'll receive your badge, your golden ticket to the fair. This badge is more than just a pass. It's your gateway to a world of opportunities. Keep it safe and always have it on you during the event. Next up, let's talk budget. Traveling to China and attending the fair involves expenses like flights, accommodation, transportation, and of course, product sourcing. It's essential to plan these costs meticulously. Look for deals on flights and hotels and consider staying in accommodations that are close to the event venue to save on transportation costs. Create a realistic budget that outlines all anticipated costs to avoid overspending and stay on track. Factor in daily expenses like meals, local transportation, and any additional costs that might arise. Having a clear budget will help you manage your finances better and ensure you can focus on the event without worrying about money. Now let's amp up your networking game. Before you even set foot in Guangzhou, start connecting with potential suppliers and attendees online. This pre-event networking can give you a significant advantage. Reach out to exhibitors you're interested in, schedule meetings, and build a rapport. This way, when you meet in person, you'll already have a foundation to build on. Platforms like LinkedIn and the Canton Fair's official website are treasure troves for finding and connecting with relevant contacts. Use these platforms to join groups, participate in discussions, and get insights into what to expect at the fair. The more you engage online, the more prepared you'll be when you arrive. Don't underestimate the power of business cards. Bring plenty to exchange with potential partners and suppliers. A well-designed business card can leave a lasting impression and make it easier for people to remember you. Ensure your card includes all your contact details and a brief description of your business. A strong first impression goes a long way in establishing valuable business relationships. Dress professionally, be confident, and always have a firm handshake. Remember, you're not just representing yourself, but your entire business. Remember, preparation is your secret weapon to conquer the Canton Fair. By tackling these essential steps, you'll be well equipped to navigate the event, connect with the right people, and secure those game-changing deals. Plan your days, set clear objectives, and always be ready to adapt to new opportunities. Are you ready to explore the bustling halls of the Canton Fair? Let's dive in. With their right preparation and mindset, you're set to make the most of this incredible opportunity. So gear up, stay focused, and get ready to network like a pro. Congratulations, you made it to Guangzhou. This vibrant city is not only a hub of commerce and culture, but also the gateway to one of the most significant trade events in the world. The city is buzzing with excitement, and the Canton Fair awaits. And as you step into the heart of Guangzhou, you'll feel the energy and anticipation in the air. But with so much to see and do, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The Canton Fair is a sprawling event with thousands of exhibitors and countless opportunities. Don't worry, I've got your back. With a little preparation and the right strategy, you can navigate the fair like a seasoned pro. Follow this step-by-step guide to navigate the fair like a seasoned pro. Step 1, arrive early. The early bird catches the worm, and in this case, the best opportunities. The Canton Fair is massive, and getting around takes time. With over 1.2 million square meters of exhibition space, you'll want to maximize every minute. Plan your route to the fairgrounds in advance, considering traffic and transportation options. Guangzhou's public transport system is efficient, but it can get crowded. Arriving early allows you to beat the crowds and make the most of your day. You'll have the chance to explore the booths without the hustle and bustle. Once inside, grab a map and directory. These will be your best friends throughout the day, helping you navigate the vast fairgrounds. The fairgrounds are vast, with different zones dedicated to specific industries. Knowing where to go will save you time and energy. Use the map to locate the booths and pavilions that align with your business interests. Now let's talk strategy. A well-thought-out plan can make all the difference. Don't try to see everything. It's impossible. With so much to see, it's crucial to prioritize. Prioritize the booths and suppliers you identified during your pre-fair research. Focus on what matters most to your business. Remember to take notes, ask questions, and collect product samples. These will be invaluable when making decisions later. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Building relationships and securing the best deals is part of the experience. Prices at the Canton Fair are often negotiable, Exhibitors expect it, so don't hesitate to discuss terms. Be prepared to haggle politely and respectfully to secure the best possible deals for your business. A little negotiation can go a long way. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Finally, take breaks. It's essential to pace yourself. Navigating the Canton Fair can be exhausting. With so much ground to cover, it's easy to get worn out. Step outside for some fresh air, grab a bite to eat, and recharge your batteries to ensure you're making the most of your time. A well-timed break can rejuvenate you for the rest of the day. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated your first day at the Canton Fair. With these tips, you're well on your way to making the most of this incredible event.